I'm Scott McQuiggan, co-founder and CEO of Social Cascade. Today, what I'd love to do is share more about the Social Cascade Teleprompter app. So let's dive in on how to get started with Social Cascade's new Teleprompter app. Before you publish from the Teleprompter app, the first thing we want to do is make sure you've connected your social accounts that you want to be able to post to. You do that once per team in Social Cascade's web app. You'll sign in to app.socialcascade.co. You'll use the email address that you'll also use to log in to the Teleprompter app. If you don't yet have an account, make sure to ask your admin on the team when it was set up with Social Cascade. Once you're logged in to Social Cascade, you'll go to the avatar menu and select Account Settings. From Account Settings, you'll scroll down and see Social Profiles. I've already connected Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. To add an account, you simply click the plus button, which will bring you to the authentication screen. If you're a team admin, you can add social profiles. Social Cascade will open a secure linking flow where you sign in to each network, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, that you plan to connect to. For Facebook, make sure you're logging in with your personal account and that personal Facebook account has access to the Facebook page you want to connect. Make sure your Instagram account is a professional account. TikTok and YouTube are quite a bit easier and are only supported via our teleprompter workflow. Once you're done linking, click Close to return to Social Cascade. When linking finishes, you'll land back on Account Settings with your connected accounts shown as profile cards. You can also confirm connections from the Team Overview page under Social Profiles, and from there you can tap Manage to jump right back into Settings. If a profile is missing after linking, use Refresh under the Social Profiles. Remember, only admins can add or refresh links. Once at least one social profile is connected, you're ready to open Social Cascade's Teleprompter app on your phone and begin to publish. This is Social Cascade Teleprompter, the mobile app for recording short, patient education videos and publishing them to your connected social accounts without juggling export, upload, and separate platforms. Here's the flow we'll cover today. Sign in and complete a quick onboarding. We'll create a script with AI help or your own text. We'll record the built-in teleprompter and re-record until you're happy. Next, we'll talk about posting, scheduling, or saving to your team stream. And last, how to find your recordings and finish videos when processing completes. The app is available on iPhone and iPad today, and you'll use the same Social Cascade login as you use on the web. Let's get started with Teleprompter. I've already downloaded the Teleprompter app from the App Store. To log in, I'm going to use the same email address that I use to log in to Social Cascade. Then I click Send Code. This will send a short 6-digit code to your inbox. Enter the one-time code from your inbox, then verify. If you're new to Teleprompter, you'll see a short onboarding walkthrough. You can skip any time and finish later in settings. Most people finish in under a minute. On the first page, this is for your name. Enter what patients call you, Dr. Smith, Nurse Kim, or your first name. Script drafting will use this name when it generates lines that sound personal and introduces you in the script. On page 2, we want to verify the practice information. Sometimes this will be used as calls to action to encourage patients to follow up on your website or to give your office a call to schedule an appointment. Make sure this number and website match the information for your practice. Next is voice training. Record a short sample so AI drafted scripts match how you actually speak. Skip now if you prefer. You can always add samples later under Settings, Voice Training. We never store your audio and only use the microphone to support speech to text so we can look at the words that you choose. Next, and last, we need access to your camera and microphone. This way we can record teleprompter videos for you. That's it. You're all set. Tap through to land on My Scripts, your home screen for every script you create. Next, let's talk about creating scripts. My Scripts is home base, and this will actually say your name scripts. So here I have Dr. Scripts. Tap the plus button in the top right to create content. Choose Draft Script. Draft Script is when you want help writing from an idea. Describe your topic in plain English. Answer follow-up questions, add details, or even paste a reference link if you have one. Tap Draft Script and wait a few seconds. The app opens your new script in the editor. You can scroll the body and make changes to your script right on the screen. The other path to creating a script is to select the plus button and choose New Blank Script. If you already have a script handy, add a title and paste your script. Or another way is to use the microphone and dictate your script. When you're ready to record, open a script to record the video. You'll choose Record Video. This displays the teleprompter window. Be sure to read naturally while looking at the lens. No memorizing, no printed cards off camera. Tap Practice first. The text scrolls, but nothing is saved. Tap the screen to pause or resume until the pacing feels right. Use the gear icon in the top right to adjust speed, text size, and opacity. Set whatever is comfortable for your eyes and speaking pace. When you're ready, tap Record. After a short countdown, the teleprompter runs and the camera captures video. Recording can take up to 3 minutes, aligned with the short form limits on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Tap Stop when you're done to review the preview. Take as many takes as you like to get the video just right. For the first video, many folks will record it up to 2 or 3 times before they get the hang of it. When you're ready to post, select the take that you would like to post. Choose Create Post. Here you can edit the caption, hashtags, choose whether to burn in captions, which we highly recommend, and select the platforms you want to post to, and choose your post schedule. For caption style, you have a number of options that are built in. When you determine that you're ready to post, Post Now will publish as soon as the processing of the video finishes. Admins and editors can post now. Schedule is a way to pick a date and time. The app will suggest something sensible based on the selected platforms. And lastly, Save to My Stream. This sends the video to your team's content queue on the web app, where an admin or editor can review and publish it. This is the only option that team members will see, unless they're an admin or an editor. After you submit the app, upload your take and processes it in the cloud, encoding and burning in captions if you chose them. For a short clip, expect roughly 2 to 3 minutes. For a longer 3-minute clip, expect up to 6 minutes for processing. You don't need to stare at the spinner. We'll be sure to take care of the video as you directed once it's completed. On the Finish Review video screen, you can play the final recording. You can use the Save to Photos and Share to keep a copy on your device. Tap Done to return to My Scripts, and it's off to your next teleprompter video. Back on the web at app.socialcascade.co, I can navigate to my calendar, where I can now see the video content that I've created and scheduled to post immediately to all 4 platforms. That same content is available in my team's content if I'd like to schedule it for later. Remember that your raw takes stay on the phone under each script's recording until you delete them. The processed publish ready file is what you review in the app and what Social Cascade sends to Facebook Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other linked profiles.